Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our YouTube cooking channel. Today, we have a delicious and easy recipe for you that's perfect for dinner or a special occasion. We're making savory stuffed bell peppers. Let's get started. For this recipe, we'll be using colorful bell peppers as our edible bowls, filled with a flavorful mixture of ground beef, rice, vegetables, and spices. It's a well-balanced meal that's both visually appealing and incredibly tasty. So, let's gather our ingredients. 4 large bell peppers, any color you prefer. 1 pound, ground beef. 1 cup cooked rice. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 carrot, finely diced. 1 zucchini, finely diced. 1 cup diced tomatoes. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried basil. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. Grated cheese for topping, optional. Before we start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Now, let's prepare the bell peppers. Cut off the tops and remove the seeds and white membranes from the inside. Rinse them well and set aside. Next, in a large skillet over medium heat, add the ground beef and cook until browned. Drain any excess fat, if necessary. Now, let's add in our chopped onion, minced garlic, carrot, and zucchini. Sauté everything together until the vegetables become tender. Once the vegetables are cooked, add the diced tomatoes, cooked rice, oregano, basil, paprika, salt, and pepper. Stir everything together, allowing the flavors to meld for a few minutes. Take your bell peppers and fill each one generously with the mixture we just prepared. Place them upright in a baking dish, making sure they're stable and won't topple over. If you like, sprinkle some grated cheese on top for an extra cheesy touch. Now, pop the baking dish into the preheated oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the bell peppers are tender and the cheese is golden and bubbly. Once your stuffed bell peppers are ready, carefully remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly. Serve them as is, or with a side of salad or crusty bread. Look at these beauties. Let's give it a taste. The flavors are incredible. The sweetness of the bell pepper pairs perfectly with the savory filling. The combination of ground beef, vegetables, and aromatic herbs creates a comforting and delicious dish. That's it for today's recipe. We hope you enjoyed this savory stuffed bell pepper dish. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!